Nature versus peptides. People ask me why I don't use peptides. That is the movie for it. Why I don't use them. People buy peptides because they think that regeneration lives in a syringe. But here is the real truth. Look, your body already makes everything you are searching for in a natural way. But you need to give the body the right natural
signals
to do so. So simple, isn't it? First, because this is about what I do in order to not even think about peptides. First, I made a lot of movies about it. Breathing. The intermittent hypoxia. Breathing activates stem cells. Detailed movie about it, please look at my biohacking playlist. Stem cells are activated during my intermittent
breathing.
Right? Deep breathing and breath holds create a short wave of hypoxia. This is a natural hermetic stress that activates your stem cells, that activates your
stem cells,
your own built-in repair system. Once again, intermittent hypoxia is activating stem cells built, which is your own built-in repair
system.
Right? So I don't need to buy these peptides to increase the amount of my stem cells, because I do them every single day by having intermittent hypoxia 10 to 20 minutes every single
day.
They're already inside me, circulating every day as a new one. Second, fasting. Autophagy and cellular reset is created by fasting. Fasting up to 16, 18 hours per day. It's really easy. You stop eating at 8 in nighttime, 8 p.m., and you don't eat until 12 in the midday. Only that. And then you eat what you want to eat. Of course, try to make it healthy. So why I refuse peptides in order to create a stimulated autophagy? Because I am in an autophagy state even now while fasting. Right? Now I am in the 10th hour of not eating because it is morning. So when I breathe on an empty stomach while being fasted, I am staying in an autophagy state, right? So what is happening? It's like cleaning the workshop before rebuilding anything
new.
Look, the body removes in this state all the damaged proteins, which are causing, if not removed, viruses, bacteria, and cancer cells. Right? If you remove them on a daily basis, which you can do by creating autophagy, you are at the same time removing any kind of toxin in your body and the dead structures which are always present in the body. As we know, the balance in our body is as follows. In the circulation of your blood, there are proteins which are weak and strong. The weak ones getting damaged, and the damaged ones create a dead structure circulating in your body. Every human being has the same. Every 24 hours it happens. So what breathing and fasting is creating is that these dead structures, these dead cells, getting
rid
of my body, of your body, while being in an autophagy state. In that sense, there is no possibility to have in the body damaged structures, damaged cells, which can cause eventually cancer cells. It's not possible because there is no substance to build, because they get rid every single day from my body while in the fasted
state.
To sum up, no supplements needed, no injections, no peptides, just biology doing this job. Right? 3. The third thing I do every single day, you can do as well, is I have more than 18 movies about this. Please check my playlist on the cold exposure. The third one is cold, because cold proteins and natural regeneration hormones are appearing in the moment when my body is affected with colds. The best thing it can happen to you. Why? When I step into the cold water, the body reacts like a perfectly tuned machine. A perfectly tuned
Machine.
Look, the liver, I had plenty of movies about it, please watch them. The liver releases FGF21 hormone, that the muscles release irisin, and the brain produces the RBM3 cold shock proteins. Once again, your liver, your muscles, and your brain produces cold shock
Proteins.
Having that, the old must go because the new is exchanging the place. The new that protects your neurons in your brain and accelerates your regeneration. Once again, no peptides for regeneration needed externally, because you create them internally. Boom.
Boom.
This is the eternal, exclusive, no injection needed pharmacy in your body, where all you and me are born with. We are all born with that. We didn't give the chance the body to regenerate itself. That's why people take hormones, testosterone, peptides, growth hormones, because of course they work. But you need to pay for them, and there are external injections. And if you do it wrong, you will harm yourself. But if you let the body, your perfect machine, to work on its own, you create the same circumstances, the same environment to regenerate your body in this perfect way. So in my opinion, peptides are a shortcut, right? And I don't need shortcuts because it's too easy to make it natural.
Natural way.
Because when I breathe and when I fast and expose myself to cold, which I do every single day, right? I activate every single day the same biological pathways for my body to regenerate, to create stem cells, to create cold shock proteins, while being in an autophagy state. Boom.
Boom. Boom.
It's perfect because it is done by nature, created over millions of years of evolution of our body. Natural, free, and it works 10 times deeper, because if you do it naturally, it works like sleep. If you create a perfect environment for the body, it regenerates everything combined together, not one thing, one injection. The only thing you need to create in that sense is a habit to create space for breath, for cold, and for fasting. I wish you a good day. This was Habit Code. Enjoy it.